Hey guys, this is TSQ here and today I have a tutorial on the clock. So let's begin with the tutorial. The clock is one of the most easiest puzzles to solve. It takes really less effort to become a speed solver at this, and you can become easily fast and become easily sub 15, sub 14 with the clock. I usually average around 15 to 14 seconds. So I thought that I'm quite capable of removing the tutorial on the clock. So first I'll show you how the clock functions. So the functioning of the clock is first I'll show you how the clock is solved. The clock is solved when all the clock pieces face at 12. If you can see, this is the number 12. All of them should face on top on both the sides. So I'll first show you how it functions. First I'll just keep one pin on top. If there's one pin on top, all the clocks beside it move. So just these clocks will move, and at the back side it's going to affect just this one. But at the back it does not really matter much, so it just matters here in the front. Here these four move. If I have two pins on the top, then these 6 pieces move. If I have these 2 on the top, then these 6 pieces will move. If I have these 2 on the top, then these 6 pieces will move. If I have these 2 on the top, then these 6 pieces will move. Yeah. And one more thing is that if I have this one, then these 4 will move. If I have this one, then these 4 will move. If I have this one, then these 4 will move. And if I have these 3 at the top and this one down, then if I move it from this side, from of these ones, from these 3 rotating stuff, then all will move except for this one, as these all pins are kind of connected with these all clocks except for this one, so it moves. If I have this one down and all of those 3 up, and if I move this one, then just that one clock will move, which is not applicable here while solving the clock. So it's just applicable with all when your pins are on top. Just that side is supposed to be moved. So if I move this one, these all will move except for this one. If I keep these 3 on top and that one down, then all of these will move. If I function with of these 3, and if I have this one down and these 3 on top, then these will move. Okay, so let's begin with the solving of the clock. I'll just scramble it up and be back. Okay guys, so I have scrambled up the puzzle. So I usually start with aligning of this piece with the top one. So to move this center, I can rather use this one or use this one. Either use this one or this one. So I usually prefer using this one because I'm right hand dominated, so I mostly use the right pins. So I will put this one on the top and align this clock piece as same as that. So I align that way. Fortunately we even have this piece already aligned. So next what I'll do is I'll align these 3 pieces with this one. So to move these three, what I need to do is move this one on the top. So after moving that one, I can move these three, aligning the same way as that one. Now we have all of these four this is called the cross. So as in a 3x3, we have to solve the cross the same way. So now we have these four already aligned. Now I move these four pieces the same as this one. So to move these four, we need to do is this and this pin should be on the top. So moving that like this, we have already aligned them. So now what we have to do is bring all these 5 cross pieces facing on 12. The 12 is here. That's 12, yeah. So to move all of these 5 cross pieces, what we have to do is move this one on top, or maybe this one as well, and using this piece or this, we can move all our cross pieces at 12. So here we have our cross pieces at 12. Now what we need to do is a rotation. Now we can see that our back cross pieces are solved. Now you have to do is solve the front cross pieces. So we have to do it the same way as the previous one. So I'll align this one with this, put this pin on top, I'll align it and I'll bring it down. Now I'll align these two with this one, so I'll put this on top, I'll align it and bring it down. Now I'll align these three with this one, I'll put this on the top, align it, bring it down. And now to align these 4 with this one, so I'll put these both on top, align it and bring it down. So now what we have to do is, from here we have to continue joining aligning these 5 cross pieces with these 4 clocks. So in this step what we have to do is move on top 3 of these pins from these all 4. So I have moved this pin and this. So now I'm going to align these 5 cross pieces with this piece. So I move it like this and align it. Now I'm going to make this pin on top and keep one more pin down. So now I have these 3 pins on top and this pin down. Now I'm going to do is move these all pieces and align it with this. Yeah, done. So I'll move now this one on top, the solved one on top, and bring the unsolved down. And now I'm going to align these all pieces with this one. So aligned, and now I'm going to bring these all pieces, align it with this one. So for that I'll bring this one down and move it, hence it's aligned. Now the last step is you bring all the 4 pins on top and align it to 12, and here we can see that both our sides are solved. It's a really easy puzzle. I'm going to do one more example solve and we'll have a look at it. I'll just scramble the cube back and be now I have an example solve with you. So I align this one with this, as we do in a 3x3 cross. We align these 4 pieces. So I'll bring this one on top, I'll align this with this, then I'll bring this one on top and I'll align these both with this one. Then I'll bring this one on top and bring this one down and align these 3 with that one. So I'll bring this on place. Now I'll bring these both on top so that I can align these 4 with this one. Now as I've aligned all the 5 pieces, I bring them to 12 o'clock by moving these 3 pins and moving this one or this pin around. So doing a rotation, now I move this one, aligning with this. So I have this pin on top. So these 2 are aligned. Now I align this one with this by moving this on top and these 3 down. So now I'll move this one down and this one on top, and align these three with this one. And after aligning these three with this one, now align these four with this one. So I move this one on top, and I'm going to align these four with this one, so they're aligned. Now what we do is we align these 5 cross pieces with each corners. So starting with this corner, we bring these 3 pins on top and align these 3. We align these cross pieces with this one, so it's aligned. Now we bring this one on top, this one on down, and this on top. So now these 3 are on top and this is down. So now I align these cross pieces, including this piece, to 12 with this, and then I bring this one on top and this one on down. Now I align these all cross pieces to this one, so align. Now I bring this one bottom, this one on top. Now I move these all cross pieces to 12. Hence the puzzle is solved. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel TH Cuber. Please, in the sections down below of comments, please tell what kind of videos do you want. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy cubing.